In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create spend money bank rules in Xero. Bank rules save time by automatically categorizing recurring expense transactions during bank reconciliation. They look for patterns in your bank statement lines, like a merchant name or reference, and then apply the account, tax, and contact details you've set. Let's walk through creating a reliable spend money rule from start to finish. First, log into your Xero account. From the dashboard, head to the Accounting menu and choose Bank Rules. You'll land on a page with tabs. Make sure you're on the Spend Money Rules tab, since we're building a rule for outgoing expenses. Next, select Create Rule to open the Rule Builder. You'll start by choosing how the conditions should match. If you want every condition to be true before the rule applies, choose an option like All Conditions. If you're comfortable with the rule triggering when just one of several conditions is met, choose the Any option. Keep in mind, more specific conditions reduce the chance of miscategorizing a transaction. Click Add Conditions and define what Xero should look for. Pick the field, such as Payee, Description, Reference, or Amount. Then choose the type of match, contains, equals, starts with, or similar, and enter the value you see on your bank statement lines. A good tip is to use a distinctive part of the merchant description to avoid catching unrelated transactions. Next, set the contact for the transaction. Select the supplier or payee that best matches the expense. Assigning a contact helps with reporting and keeps supplier histories accurate. Now allocate the line items and accounts. Choose the expense account you want these transactions to go to, and if needed, split the transaction across multiple lines. You can apportion by percentage or by fixed amounts if you regularly see recurring fees or shared costs. Add the appropriate tax rates and, if applicable, set amounts for each line. Make sure the tax treatment matches your local requirements. If you're unsure, use the standard rate you typically apply for that expense type or consult your advisor's guidance. If a consistent reference helps your records, enter it now. This can make bank reconciliation and reporting even clearer. Give your bank rule a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Finally, click Save. From now on, when new bank statement lines match these conditions, Xero will suggest this rule automatically. You'll just review and confirm during reconciliation. Keep your rules specific, update them if merchant descriptions change, and enjoy faster, cleaner books.